Hi, my name is Gerald, and I'm going to tell you my life story. My, I was a very ugly kid, as you can tell. I was very ugly, and my hips lied. Like they said they would bring me places, but look at this. Look at my body. It is a rag doll, and my arms are buff and odd and ugly, and I'm just gonna dab like Wiz Khalifa and hope no one cares because I'm the boss and no one can tell me what to do.
God.
And then I turned into this Christian person, as you can tell, because I have my cross. And I started dancing with my big puffy legs, and as you can tell, I love walking. And my head likes to go back and forth because I was 20 years old and no one could tell me what to do back then. So I started moving my hips like I was possessed and I had no friends. And that's how I came to be this old man thing. You know, my name's Gerald. Goodbye.